Hello everyone, welcome to a new collaboration. This is hosted by Bourbon Creek Crafts. It's called Crafty Christmas Collab 2020. I did this last year, 2019 also, and what we do is every week in November, the 4th, the 11th, the 18th, and the 25th, Wednesdays, 8 a.m. Eastern, we're going to post a new project trying to use the same paper pad, 12 by 12 paper pad. Now, we don't have to use it up, thank goodness, because I don't think I'll be able to. But what I picked to use is, and I've had this when I first began paper crafting in 2017. This was one of the first really good paper pads I ever bought, and it's 2017 Graphic 45 Christmas paper called Winter Wonderland. Sorry about the glare. Let me put that up a little bit. There we go. So I've had that, but not only have I had that, whoops, I've also had the 8x8. I just dropped some things. These cardstock die cuts and these chipboard pieces. Let me just get a piece of what I dropped, and I have left. Well, before I do that, I only used one 12 by 12 and a portion of a 6 by 6, and I have part of the 12 by 12 left. So yeah, shame on me, but I wanted to do this project, so I did it. But this is what I have left of the 12 by 12, and this skinny little strip, which I don't know, hang on to it for a little while, but some of these little bits will probably go in the trash. These were out of the 8 by 8 because the same patterns in the 12 by 12 were too big for what I needed, so I just have them tucked in here. I think the only thing I ever used out of this before was one sheet of the 8 by 8, and I know what I had done with it because of the shape. I remember making that, actually. There may be more of those in our future. I don't know yet. So anyway, let me move this out of the way because I don't have room. And I don't think I'd ever used any of the 12 by 12 before. I'm not positive on that. Don't hold me to that. But I really don't think so. I think I only used that one sheet of the 8 by 8. I've kind of been hoarding it. So I got this idea from a lady called Treasure Books here on YouTube. And she recycles all kinds of things, but the latest thing I've seen her do, and this is how I found her actually, was these tissue boxes. And it just so happened I had watched her video, and lo and behold, I emptied a tissue box. So I opened up the box and I cut all the other piece, one other solid piece, which 3 sections off. This is what I have left, which she would save and use for another project, so maybe I will too. So here's what I made. I made a tissue box folio, wallet more like it. And so this is a cut apart from the smaller paper pad, and I bumped that up on dimensionals from Stampin' Up. This is a brad out of the Archivist from Prima. It's one of these, which I've had in my stash. I probably got them, I got them November 2017 at Joann's. 50% off apparently, or roughly that, yeah. And then I pulled out this gold cording stuff that I've had from Fire Mountain to use here, but it's too, it unravels too much, it frays real easy, so I took it off and I ended up using for the wrap here Stampin' Up's. I love this cord. It's part of the Wonder of the Season ribbon combo pack in the current August to December mini catalog. I believe that combo pack comes with this shaded spruce. Hang on. Yeah, this is the combo pack, and I may have to get another one of those just to have this cording because I love it. It doesn't unravel. It's like a little bit of a stiffer cord, And I don't have very much left. But anyway, that's what I used to do the tying. And I'll talk about that more in a minute, I think, if I don't forget. And then on the inside, you'll see I used some of this, which I'm trying to use up. This was from Joann's, probably also 2017, or yeah, probably. And then also, I forgot that I'm pretty sure my friend Paige made this for me, because she put hugs, love, and peace, which is if you know me, you know that's what I say at the ends of my videos and things. Anyway, she gave me this adorable embellishment box. Oh my gosh, I forgot I had these. I might have to be using these pretty soon too. And these little gingerbread. Oh, I don't know if I can use them. They're so cute. Anyway, what I used is one gold and one red bell. I will say about this paper, oh, look at these. These are cute too. Oh, I might have to. No, see, the color is different. That's the problem I was having. The color of this paper is more like an orangey red. So it's sort of a difficult match. It goes really good with gold, but it doesn't really match too many other reds. The green is easier to match than the red. So anyway, let me remember. I think the red one, yes, whichever one is under, that is the one that is actually permanently, I think, permanently attached. Uh-oh, it's going to make a liar out of me. Oh no. Here we go. Phew. So I just have that wrapped around. This is a brad, remember. I mean, here's the inside. Now, I did it a little differently than Treasure Books did, because she didn't actually cover her tissue box. But she did. She had 3 pockets in here. I only put 2. I actually covered the whole front with the whole 12 by 12 sheet almost. And then I just cut the, in fact, I did use a whole 12 by 12, because I just cut the edges. And no, I think I can't remember now. I must have cut it down a little bit. But then I folded it over on each side and glued it. And this was also the flap. And then I just put a piece down here and here. This is washi that I've had in my stash. I don't remember what collection or anything that came out of. It was loose in my Christmas stuff, which I have a lot of. Yes, I do. I have a lot of Christmas stuff. So anyway, so then I folded this over and glued it on each edge to make the pocket. And she had done that. And then I just have some of these cut aparts, which are from the small, the 8x8 paper pad. I love the birds and the cabin anyway, which is probably what attracted me to it in the first place. Here's that Joann's ribbon, and I wasn't going to put anything here, but I thought when I closed this, it needed a little something over here, so I thought, well, I'll just put them facing each other. And then I thought, well, now I need like a little sentiment saying or something here, but I decided against it because I didn't know where to put it. And then when I close this, the cord would be in the way. And then over here, one of the paper, what is that called? The tags and pockets. This was a pocket, and this came out of the chipboard, so I just have that made, and you can put it in either way, but I like the cabin. And oh, and then the cord that I had to take off because it was fraying, I did use that on the tags here. I used it here and here also, just as accents, because otherwise I was going to get out my gold stickles to do that, and I thought, well, I already have it cut, let's use it. And then this was out of the tags and pockets, which is just paper as well. Winter Wonderland, and it's got poinsettias on it. So that goes up there. And then these were, like I said, just 4 pieces out of the paper to gift, and I may end up putting more in at some point with whoever would get this, if anyone. But I think it came out okay. And then that just wraps around like that, and you end up with two. So the red one is permanent, and the gold one you undo. And I got that a little off there. So that way it looks better. So that is my project for week 1, November 4th, of the Crafty Christmas Collab 2020. I want to thank Beth at Bourbon Creek Crafts for hosting this year. And I'm sorry I don't have more so far made, but that's my project for this week, and hopefully for next week I can get a little more done for you. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.